Guys, another quick question that has come in on BPC-157. So a lot of people who are getting sports injuries, this is kind of one of the go-to products now for recovery. I love to use this product alongside something called TB500 because it's an incredible repairing, healing stack. So BPC-157 is it's a peptide, and as a peptide it will actually help with several different things in the body. So it will increase blood flow, so nutrient delivery. It creates the ability to increase blood vessels and circulation to areas of damage. Increases the gut health. It's anti-inflammatory, cardiovascular health, pain reduction, even liver and general organ protection. So BPC kind of speeds up the healing process, and it signals certain markers in the body to come along and help repair quicker. So if you've got any tears, fractures, pulls, sprains, BPC-157 is definitely worth considering. And if it's a real bad one, take it alongside the, we call it the Regen X, which is basically TB500. Those two together are commonly known as the Wolverine stack. Wolverine, you can chop his arm off and it'll grow back again. So that's kind of how potent that stack can be. The most common injury I am seeing coming through the shop at the minute, and that's keeping Sarah Jane Therapies very busy because she's a phenomenal sports masseuse, is rotator cuffs. Rotator cuff problems from the rugby lads, the lads who are all lads actually. I don't think there's any woman come in yet. Benching too heavy, or something goes and pops, or overtraining, and these little niggles hinder their progress, which then has psychological effects if they're going to the gym regularly because it keeps that intact. That's me. Or you can't train, you're grumpy and you're miserable. So BPC-157, if it's really bad, TB500, which works systemically. If there's a problem anywhere in your body, TB500 will just go and help heal it. So there is a little insight on that. Would I recommend it? Yes, 100%. If you are injured, then that would be two products that I would definitely personally be taking to get better quicker, to heal faster, and you get all the other benefits. Hopefully that was of use. Thank you. Bye-bye.